What's up, guys? My name is Tony,
My name is Mate,
and this is AJV where audio joins video.
and today we're going to be unboxing this REL 1205.
Yeah, it's the MKII.
Yep, this bad boy right here.
Yep.
Got two of them, and we got the one left to open. So why don't we go ahead and start doing that?
Let's take a look. Let's crack this baby open. Now, these honestly look almost similar to the big 15-inch ones that we got earlier. And we're going to see if we can do a comparison video of these to other subwoofers. This is my first time.
It's obviously not his first time.
Alright, so right on the top.
Oh, we got the
Good cover.
The safety information. Here, take that. And the power cord. And the quick start guide.
Alright, let's see if we can take this bad boy out. Watch out, it comes right on the outside.
Why don't we tip the box over?
Slip you a little bit. Alright. Nice good cover here. Oh, there it is. So this has the full glass top compared to the original ones that they had, where it only had the smaller square here. Pull back cone. Spin around the back. Now, what's different between this and those 15 inches is that there's no way to bolt them to each other. We can try how they stack to see if we can. And it also does not have the rail underneath. So instead of a full rail for feet, it has individual.
These look like they come apart too.
Yep. Got really grippy rubber feet.
That way there's less vibrations on your floor.
There you go. On the back, power, standby versus auto. You have your crossover, your level, your phase, and then ins and outs for low level or LFE. Yep.
No XLR I don't see on this
No.
one compared to the 15-inch.
But I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop some comments, some likes, and subscribe. And we'll start comparing it tonight, actually, versus the SVS 2000 Pros. And then we can see how they differ between the REL 1510s and so on. So thank you for watching. My name is Tony.
My name is Mate.
And this is AJV, where audio joins video. Have a good day.